Hi, and welcome to Gender Studies. We're going to look at the assignment, and really what you're going to do is to do some work with gender neutral and gender stereotypical. Now that might not make a lot of sense right off the get-go, but it'll make more sense as we go through. So basically, we're going to look at gender because gender is so fluid and it is socially constructed, so it does change over time. So looking at what is gender stereotypical, I've given some examples in terms of this little image there of the traditional gender stereotypes, but there is also a lot of things on gender neutrality. So this assignment is basically going to be looking at that. Whoops. So it's due November 17th, week 10. It must be posted as a PDF and on or before that date and time. So that's November 17th at 5 p.m. as a PDF. Now it's going to be posted in your assignment and test module. Now you'll see an image that I just posted. And it just basically everything that you have to hand in for grades will be located in this very same spot, assignment and test module. There will be your orientation quiz, all of your journals, your assignment posting, and your tests will be accessed through here. And of course, as I mentioned in the syllabus, everything that you need, times and dates are all located there. Okay, so for this particular assignment, you're going to look at a variety of different media, magazines, newspapers, paper or internet, doesn't matter. But I want you to look for and search for 4 images that for you are gender neutral and 4 which are gender stereotypical. And then I want you to write 3 paragraphs giving 3 different convincers about what it was that convinced you that this was a gender neutral or gender stereotypical image. Now, one of the things you should be aware of, and this is why your text is also kind of important here, is that you need to review and use the concepts from chapters 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7 to assist with your awareness of your arguments and the convincers. So each of your 3 convincers for each images needs to represent something from your textbook that relates to what it was that convinced you that this was a gender neutral or gender stereotypical image. So what it's handed in, and I'm going to show you an example, but we'll start with, you need to have 4 gender neutral images and 4 gender stereotypical, so 8 in total. Your assignment must be turned into or as a PDF so it can be handed in. 12-point report or essay style. It'll be about 8 pages long. 1 image and 3 convincers in each page. And here's an example. Now don't worry about what the language might be. It's nonsense language, but there's an image. There are 3 convincers and it's on 1 page. So that's what's important to this assignment. Please don't make a half-page image and 3 lines for convincers. The grades will be accordingly. The grade isn't just for the image, it's for your understanding of what makes it gender neutral or gender stereotypical. And then lastly, here's the rubrics, how it's going to be marked. You get marked for having images that are correct and also appropriate for the assignment. And then I go through each one and look at your convincers and see that you've used the text chapters and confirm all of that. And then I can grade things accordingly as to what you did. So do the best you can with this. Have some fun with it, but please don't leave it till the last minute. I think you'll find that you'll have plenty of time to get this done and have handed in by the 10th. The assignment folder that you could use to hand your assignment in is open from the very first day you're here until November 17th at 5 p.m. So it can be posted at any time before that time. All right? So good luck to you on this assignment. I hope you enjoy it. I do enjoy watching or seeing them because my understanding of gender neutrality and gender stereotypical using the chapters might reflect something different than what you see. And so it's always exciting for me to see what you can produce. So good luck, everybody, and we'll see you online.